Email servers need protection from unauthorized use, and that's exactly where SMTP authentication comes into play. In this video, we'll break down what SMTP authentication is, what mechanisms and listening ports it uses, as well as how to test it. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails.
Email server compromised.
Unauthorized email server access can be as serious as unauthorized access to a company's physical office. Email spoofing, data breaches, identity theft, malware distribution, and phishing attacks are just some of the consequences of using SMTP servers without authentication. But what exactly is this mighty authentication type? SMTP authentication, also known as SMTP Auth, is the service extension of Extended SMTP, or ESMTP for short. When implemented, SMTP authentication requires an email sender to have permission to use an email server. This way, only authorized users can send outgoing messages. While malicious actors might need to consider other alternatives for distributing their communication. To make SMTP authentication happen, various simple authentication and security layer mechanisms, also known as SASL mechanisms, are used. These mechanisms have different levels of security, and as a rule, a server will list which ones it supports. For most servers, this list includes Plain, Login, CRAM MD5, XOAuth or XOAuth 2, NTLM, and GSS API. Along with SASL mechanisms, servers also use listening ports. These ports are configured to listen for incoming connections from email clients attempting to authenticate themselves with an email server. The most commonly used listening ports for SMTP Auth are port 25, port 587, and port 465. How can SMTP authentication on your email server be tested? It only takes a few simple steps. Step 1. Ensure that the Telnet client is installed or enabled on your operating system. Step 2. Use Telnet to establish a transmission control protocol connection, better known as a TCP connection, to an SMTP server on port 25 by entering the command telnet smtp.yourserver.com25. Step 3. Greet the server by sending an EHLO command. Step 4. Choose one of the authentication mechanisms listed in the server's response and encode your credentials in base64 format. And Step 5. Send the base64 encoded username followed by the encoded password. If the credentials are correct, the server will respond with 235 OK, indicating that the SMTP Auth test was successful. In the case of incorrect credentials, the server will respond with 535 authentication failed. There are, of course, other response codes you can receive from a server, but as those highly depend on your authentication attempt, we'll let you explore them in detail in our following video. And that's all for our short breakdown of SMTP authentication. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure all in one place. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!